How to change background in Zoom meeting on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you search for Zoom application just to make sure you have an updated version of the Zoom application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Zoom application. So simply tap on open. As you tap on open, you can either join a meeting or create a meeting. So here I'm already a part of a meeting. So what you can simply do is you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen. These are the menus. So drag it to the very end where you can see the three dotted lines. So tap on the three dotted lines, and here you can see the option of host tools, meeting settings, and disconnect audio. So tap on host tools, and here you can see there's no option to change your background. So go back and simply tap on the more section again and tap on meeting settings. So even here you can see there is no option to change the background. So let's check on the menu over here, and as we check on the menu we can see there is no option to change the background again. So it seems that there is no option to change the background in Zoom meeting as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.